This platform right here will pay you between 360k to 9 million naira in just 60 days, guys. I know this sounds funny, but if at the end of this video and this platform could not pay from 360k to 9 million naira, I want you to do something for me. I want you to unsubscribe from this channel, right? If you are already a subscriber, but if you're not yet a subscriber, I want you to do something for me. Dislike this video right now. Yes, I want you to dislike this video and head straight to the comment section and leave a very bad comment in the comment section. So now that we have a deal, let's jump straight into the video. What's up, beautiful people? It's Leo here again. Now, in case you're coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I create content around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to make money online and offline. So do well to join this beautiful family by clicking that subscribe button. Yes, go ahead and click that subscription button, but after clicking the subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What this bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload informative content just like this one you're watching. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you always coming back to this channel each time you get notified of a new video, and I do not take you for granted. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to take us through a particular site that or platform that can pay you between 360k to 9 million naira within 60 days. All right, now I want you to do something for me. I want you to use 3 seconds of your time to click the like button of this video to show appreciation of the value you are about to get in today's video. All right, go ahead and click the like button. Yes, if you're here to join this family, go ahead and smash the subscription button to join this family. So guys, I'm going to first of all take us through the registration aspect of this platform, right? Yes, the second step is to show you the investment plans of this platform, right? Yes, and the third step is for me to show you how you can be able to withdraw your earnings, and that is the most important thing. One thing is making money online, another thing is being able to withdraw your earnings online. All right, now the last thing is to show you or to let you know my honest opinion concerning this platform, so you can be able to choose or think about it and see if it's what you can be able to do or invest in, right? I'm going to show you also my earnings or what I think about this platform generally. So with all this being said, guys, let's jump straight into the video. All right guys, so the first thing we have to do is to register with this platform by clicking over here that says registration. All right, so once we click on registration, this is the interface we are going to see. So the first thing we have to do is to type in our email address, type in a phone number, type in a password you can be able to remember, and also to confirm the password. All right, now if you have invitation code, just type it inside here, but if you do not have, I don't think it's compulsory, just go ahead and click on sign up, which is over here, right? So click on sign up over here. So because I've already registered with this platform, I'm just going to log in so you can see my dashboard. Let's go guys. Now guys, once you are done with the registration and you log in, this is the interface you are going to see. Now the name of this platform is called OnlineIn, right? OnlineIn. Now when you look over here, you're going to see deposits, right? Of course you have to deposit before you can be able to withdraw, right? Now you can see withdraw here, you can see share, you can see team, you can see app, you can see logout. All right, now beautiful. When you look over here, down here, you can see that I have balance of 3,000 naira. Wow, wonderful. I told you I've already invested in this platform, so you just have to stick to the end of this video so you can be able to determine if this is what you can be able to venture into, right? Now stay with me. Before you can be able to deposit, you have to choose an investment plan, and for you to choose an investment plan, you have to click over here that says trade, right? Now once you click on trade, you're going to see various investment plan right here. Now when you look over here, you are going to see that we have this particular one over here. Now the minimum amount you can be able to deposit is 2,000 naira, and if you are able to deposit 2,000 naira, you are going to be earning the sum of 600 naira every single day, and for the period of 60 days you are going to be earning 36,000 naira, right? Now when you deposit the sum of 5,000 naira over here, you are going to be earning every single day 1,500, and at the end of 60 days you are going to be earning the sum of 90,000 naira. And when you go down, you are still going to see another one over here, which means if you pay the sum of 10,000 naira every single day, you are going to be getting 3,000 naira, and at the end of 60 days you are going to be getting 180,000 naira, right? Now let's go down a little bit. When you look over here, you will discover that if you are able to deposit the sum of 20,000 naira here, you are going to be making every single day 60,000 naira, and at the end of 60 days you are going to be earning the sum of 360,000 naira, just like I said from the beginning of this video, right? And if you try depositing the sum of 500,000 naira over here, you are going to be making every single day 150,000 naira, and at the end of 60 days, you are going to be earning the sum of, or a whooping 9 million naira over here. As you can see, 9 million naira at the end of 60 days, just like I said from the beginning of this video. So is this platform legit? Do they actually deliver from what they promise? You are going to find out. Just stay with me. Now, I was able to deposit or choose a particular investment plan, and I was able to make payments. Right now, every single day they were actually paying this amount, or this promised amount they are going to be paying every single day. Right now, I was able to accumulate some certain amount of money, and when you look over here, you are going to discover that I still have balance of 3,000 naira. So let's proceed with withdrawal and see if we are going to be able to get this money down to our local bank account. So we have to click over here that says withdraw, right? Yes. So once you click on withdraw, I've already linked my account details here. So as you can see over here, you will see this is my account details. So I just have to type in the amount I would want to withdraw in here, right inside this box right here. So I have balance of 3,000, so I'm just going to type the sum of 3,000 here. Right now, this platform says that if you want to withdraw, the minimum amount you can be able to withdraw is 1,500. So we have over 1,500. As you can see, we have 3,000 naira, and then if you are withdrawing, they are going to take at least 10% of your withdrawal. Right now, before this particular amount you want to withdraw will hit your local bank account, is going to stay up to 24 hours, as you can see over here. Right now, the withdrawal time is from 8 a.m. to 8:30 p.m., which is over here. Right, yeah. Now you must have traded one of our reels before withdrawing, which is normal thing. Okay, every platform they have their rules and regulation. Right now, let's withdraw the sum of 3,000 naira. So I've typed in 3,000 naira, so I have to click on withdrawal over here. So click on withdrawal, then they say withdrawal was successful. Right, oh, I actually withdrew requested for 2,700 naira withdrawal, and this promised that if you are to withdraw, it's going to take at least 24 hours before it can be able to hit your local bank account. Now, the day I requested for this withdrawal of 2,700 was on the 19th, as you can see it over here on the 19th, and today's date is 23rd. So this is over 72 hours. This is over 72 hours, and the truth is that I have not received this money in my bank account. I have not received this money in my bank account. So guys, what I'm trying to say is that you must have passed through this kind of video online, and maybe you are trying to kind of invest, and thank God you just stumble upon this video. So what I'm trying to say is that if you are still nurturing or nursing the interest of investing in this particular platform, I would want you to please back off from this journey you want to embark on. Okay, do not invest your money so you do not cry. This platform is not legit. It's obviously that this platform is a Ponzi scheme. Please do not invest your money in this. Use your money for a better thing. Use your money for a better thing. So you can say that the money I invested in this platform is waste. It's waste, totally waste. All right, so you do not want to lose your money, right? So I'm just making this video to just enlighten you, to let you know that this platform is not. If you have watched anybody or watched or come across any video talking about this site and how it has been paying, this video is serving as a notice that you should not just try investing your money into this site, because you are definitely going to lose your money. And I wouldn't want you to tell a story that touches the heart and tickles the bum. All right, so please guys, do not try wasting your money in this site, because it's totally a waste. All right, so I'm making this video to enlighten people, to let people know platforms that do not work. Now this platform, they do not pay you, but they are still out there, and if you're going to make a deposit, they're going to accept your deposit, but they're not going to deliver on their promise or give you your money or for you to be able to withdraw. All right, even if you're going to withdraw, they're going to write successful, but you can wait till eternity, nothing is going to, and they're not going to bring down this side. They're going to leave it out there and keep on collecting money from. And I will still see some persons making video promoting this site, and they know fully well that this site or this platform is not paying. They're just using it to take your money away from you. This Nigeria economy is actually declining, and this is not a time for you to be able to be wasting your money. All right, now I'm thinking of creating a new WhatsApp group to welcome new members, and what we do in this WhatsApp group is to upload updates or ways you can be able to make legit money online. All right, so in case you want to join this WhatsApp group, when I'm going to open it, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Yes, go ahead and click the subscription button of this channel. If you're yet to like this video, go ahead and click the like button of this video to show appreciation and also to let me know that you watched to this point. All right, yes, go ahead and smash the like button so this video can actually get to more people that are here to invest in this platform, so they can be able to back off and do not waste their money. All right, do well to join this beautiful family by smashing the subscription button, turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we upload awesome content just like this one you watched. And until next time, I see you again, comrades. Bye.